Hello everybody, how it's going? Today I'll be teaching you how to make an Anonymous Instagram account. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure your Instagram app on your cell phone was updated, okay? And that is very important. And it's important to say that works for any device you have, so you don't need to worry about that, okay? And basically, to create an anonymous Instagram account, the first thing you need to do is create a new email, okay? An anonymous email. So in that email, you don't put any information about you, okay? You can create any email you want, for example, a Gmail, okay? After create that email, it's simple. Just go to the section to create an Instagram account and create an Instagram account without any information about you, okay? You create a fake name, for example, a fake username, okay, and put all the informations, but any one of that informations is information about you, okay? And that's it. Basically, that's it, how to create an anonymous Instagram account. I hope I can help with that information. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. See ya.